going on YouTube? So today we're going to check out blurams Smart Outdoor Camera. This is a 1080p HD Outdoor Pro camera. It works with Amazon Alexa. I will have to say I did review a blurams pan and tilt camera, and I will link it up on the top right here so you can check it out if you'd like, but it's an indoor camera. I will say that I really love what blurams did to their packaging this time around. So let's go ahead and check out what else is on the box. What they're showing is here you can use this indoors too as well, but they're showing that you can use it for pet care, baby monitor, elderly care, business security, home security, and live share. As far as live share goes, I'm not really sure what that feature means. Maybe you are able to share a direct link to somebody to look in on a live view, but we'll check that out a little bit later. So on the other side of the box, like I said, it's 1080p resolution for HD video. They show intelligent alerts. So it looks like they probably have some a lot better alert notifications. Starlight Night Vision, hand-free two-way audio, human detection. So I'm sure that's probably part of the intelligent alerts. So that way you're not getting leaves that blow by. Who really wants to be alerted for that? A siren in the spotlight, water resistant, 129-degree wide angle view, and a privacy zone. So maybe, that's part of the intelligent alerts. So you can set up if outside you have, say you have it out in your backyard and you have your deck and you don't want to get alerted when there's motion on the very top, like portion of your deck, say you're grilling or something like that. So on the back, this is their A21C model. The dimensions are 98.5 by 91.5 by 56.6 millimeters. It has a built-in mic and speaker. It uses Wi-Fi, 802.11g, N, and B, so just the normal 2.4 gigahertz network. You can use a local micro SD or a cloud service that's available. It works on iOS 9.0 and larger, and Android 4.0 and later. I don't even know why I said larger. I meant later for iOS. It uses a 5-volt, 2-amp DC adapter, and this operates in negative 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and it is IP65 rating for water resistance, which is really nice for water resistance. So let's go ahead and check and see what you get in the box. So you get a little quick start guide here. You get a quick and easy drawing for your drill bits, so that way you can actually make holes on your wherever you're gonna, like you can do pre-drilled holes to mount the unit up. Then you get a little audio video surveillance from blurams, protected by. Put that on your window or put that on your door. Get a little plastic spludger. This is so you can get the actual get the door off here, I'm assuming, make it easy. You have a power adapter for the USB-A. Then you have drywall anchors and screws. Then you have the actual camera itself. It comes with the mount itself, and then there's the 4 holes for the screws. So it looks like you have a sensor at the top here, maybe a microphone, sensor down here, and you got the actual camera itself right there. And I'm assuming behind the black here is probably for night vision. You have a speaker on the bottom. And then you have, if I get that open, looks like micro SD and a reset switch, but let me get it open and I'll show you what it looks like. Like I said, you got the micro SD card slot for it, and then it looks like a set switch. And then I have this rubber O-ring to keep this thing IP65 rating. And then you have an attached one you can't take apart USB cable. It looks probably about 10 foot. And then that plugs into the actual adapter itself. So one thing to note is, look, this is a pretty sleek and slim version of this. I really like the designs, different than most cameras I've reviewed. I haven't seen anything like this. It looks really cool. It's very short throw here, so that way it's not just sticking way out on your house. And it's very small, so that way it's kind of inconspicuous to anybody walking on your property. I really like the design on this, actually, I really do. blurams, you did a really good job here. You got a metal ball here, so you can actually move it at any direction. It does have some resistance, which is really nice. So you can move it any direction you want, and it doesn't move in the wind or anything like that. And I'm excited to test this out. I wanted to test out the two-way audio And I want to test out the day vision, like what it looks like video quality during the day, and then also night vision when it gets dark at night. So I'll probably test this out in my garage so that we get this done. And let's get started on that. Simulation of the day-lit video, and then also the audio quality too. Check it out. So here's a simulation of night vision. It is pitch black inside here, and this is your quality as well for night vision. This is a test of the actual audio that comes out of the actual camera itself from a cell phone. All right, so I wanted to kind of go over the iPhone app itself. Right now it's got one camera, so I only have one camera set up, and there is a thumbnail of what was last video recorded. That's part of my garage. So you can go to library down here, and it'll show you all the recorded video from your cloud. You can go to me, and it goes through cloud services. I think you can buy extra stuff, devices, and Discover is going to show you what all blurams has that offer. So up here you can go to the cloud services like you can in the library. You can share your live feed if you want to somebody else. You can do settings, and then you can also go power on and off your camera. So let's go ahead and live view. So from here you can set the alarm to go off. You can take a photo of what's going on. If you click this, it'll make a wide angle view. Down here you can go to the events. Down here you can switch between standard definition to full HD sharpness. You can hit the phone button so you can actually talk to them. And then you can also listen in on the sound or turn it on and off. So you can record, so you can record live right now. And then favorites. And then when you hit record here, it's going to go ahead and record a little bit, and it'll record directly to your phone itself. So as you see, the actual iPhone app, as well as the quality of the video on regular light, and then also night vision, and then the two-way audio, the quality sound that you can actually hear. I'm actually really impressed with the quality of this. It's $78.99 on Amazon right now. I'll go ahead and link the product in the description for you to check out. If you have any questions or comments about this, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. If I can answer the question for you, I will definitely help you out. Other than that, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.